What's going on, guys? Welcome to Everything Garage. Today we're going to be installing this Crux aftermarket harness for the Sony radio that I'm going to be installing into my wife's 2011 Tahoe. I kind of already got ahead of myself and I installed the the border, I guess you could say. It was pretty easy, but that one is a Metra. I'll have to put in the description for the product name for that. Alright, so this is everything that comes in the box. The harness that then connects to the factory harness in the car. You got an extended antenna. This is the harness for the radio. And this is the box that everything plugs in and makes everything work. But yeah, so let's get to soldering. Typically, you always want to solder the wires connecting, excuse me, just because you have a better connection, and then you don't have to worry about ever really breaking or whatnot. Also got shrink wrap to protect everything, and then I'm going to wrap all the wires, everything. Alright, so I just finished up soldering all the harness. I believe this was an aftermarket. I think I bought it. I can't remember. So one of the colors didn't match up. So all I did was just look at the diagram that Crux came with, and then I Google searched, and then I just compared the rest of them to see what was left over. And this was the reverse, I guess for the reverse light. And yeah, that's how I figured it out. So let's go test it on and then make sure everything works. And yeah. Alright, sorry I don't have the best angle, but all you got to do now is just take off this bezel. Alright, so there's that. And then, yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4. So, yeah, total of 8. I believe there's 7 millimeter. Let's see. Yep. Alright. I'm going to take them all out just so I have enough room when I plug everything in. But I also have so the radio. So the radio comes with the USB. I don't know if you see it. And I have an extender that I'm gonna then replace one of the lighter. I don't even know what they're called, to be honest. Take those out, and then I'm gonna have a flush mounted USB that goes in there instead of like a USB hanging out on like the side or something. But yeah. All right, so let's unplug these. Take out the antenna. I don't know why that one's so hard. There we go. Okay. There's that. Let's get the new radio in. It's actually going to plug all the stuff in the box. Let's plug in the stereo now. Where's it at? There it is. Okay, I think that's pretty much it. Can you guys see that? Try to make it so you guys can see. Okay, yeah, that works. Alright, moment of truth. Ooh, there we go. Nice. Sweet. I don't know. Now let's see if the Android Auto works. USB cable. There it is. Plug this in here. there we go. Cool. Alright, so what I did was, to get the ladder out, there was like these two little pins. Push this out, and then I can't remember if the other thing slid out or there was like another pin. But this is what I was talking about. It's a flush mounted USB. Just so then this will sit in there, and then connect that. So then now all you do is just you would plug in here instead of having this thing like dangling out on the side or whatever. So it'll look a lot cleaner. Just lay these two in there. Yeah, that's what it will look like. It's gonna look a lot cleaner. Probably fit. There's this other one. Oh, of course it falls. I don't know if that's gonna fit. Yeah, it doesn't look like it. I'll just screw this on here. Sorry, I'm gonna have to do this off camera. Alright, there it is. It's nice and clean, nice and flush mounted. It's nice and tight, so I'm sure it's not going to go anywhere. But yeah, so I didn't have any, I forgot what the wrap is called, but it's like a soft wrap. It's this wrap. I didn't have any of that, so electrical tape it is. But then again, it's just going to be sent back there. I'm not too worried about it. But yeah, plug this back in. And then, oh, I forgot the extended antenna. I need to go get it. Plug this in. Okay. Alright, let me go grab it real quick. Alright, I grabbed it. Oh, wrong way. Alright, that's in there. Alright, there's the finished product. Let's go ahead and turn it on. Yeah, everything fit up pretty nicely. No bulge or anything. USB works fine. It's nice and sturdy in there. I have the other adapter here, just in case, since that one's not connected. I might just end up switching this out for the single USB, and then buy another one to do the same thing over here. But yeah, everything works well. Stereo works fine. I even did the controls here to work. That was one thing I didn't show. I forgot the cable in my shed. But all I had to do was just plug it in the back of that brick, the black brick, and then plug it in the back of the stereo, the head unit, and yeah, that was pretty much it. But yeah, everything works well. If you guys have any questions or comments or whatever, just comment down below. If you want to subscribe to my wife's Tahoe build, I'm gonna be doing suspension, new wheels and tires, and brakes, and then I don't know, probably other stuff too. So yeah, I appreciate if you guys stayed and watched the whole thing. I know it's been not like the greatest talking wise or what's it called, camera angles or anything, but I'll try my best. I'll try better next time. Obviously my first video, so I'll get better at filming. But thanks, guys. All right, see you.